Pixdots KWGT is an Android application designed for custom widget creation, specifically tailored for use with the KWGT Custom Widget Generator app. This application is particularly appealing to users who want to personalize their home screens with unique and visually striking widgets that display various types of information, from weather updates and calendars to music players and personal data. Key features typically include a collection of pre-designed widget templates that showcase a modern and artistic style, allowing users to easily customize and adapt them to fit their preferences. Users can modify elements such as size, color, and layout to create a personalized look that complements their device's aesthetic. Additionally, Pixdots KWGT usually supports dynamic content, enabling widgets to display real-time data, such as weather forecasts or calendar events, making them not only visually appealing but also functional and informative. The app often includes a user-friendly interface that simplifies the process of adding and configuring widgets on the home screen.